Well, how's it going, guys? We are out here, made it out to the pond. It's gonna be the 4 of us today. Not sure how many dozen decoys we're running, but we're running a hell of a lot of decoys. So with that, whatever flies within a mile should see us, hopefully. So yeah, we're doing it on private, not doing it on public. Got my cousin out here. What do you got to say about this hunt?
Can't. Oh, I'm excited. Get some geese up in here, hopefully.
Yeah.
Get to get some early season geese. That'd be.
You know today's date?
Yeah. I got
you don't know it on hand?
No.
Come on, guy.
Oh.
Hit the lights. What do you think about that?
Bro, mallards in the decoys. A flock of like 20 mallards.
Go get in there. Alright guys, well, it's not shooting light yet, but it's about that time.
They're going. Tilted. Oh, that one almost hit you in the head.
Be ready. We'll shoot those pass shoots like that.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Oh, yeah.
Hear him calling. Holy shit. What do you think? Bro, so many till you can't even count, bro. Almost hitting you in the head coming down. Ridiculous. Oh, there goes some more right behind us.
Hopefully.
Alright guys. Well, we'll see you guys at shooting line.
One minute.
Dude.
It's about to get crazy.
I can't see him anymore. They're gonna look at this. Oh my god. See, they love that duckweed over there. Are they out there still? Straight in front of me. No, there's none in front of us right now.
30 seconds.
Stomach's off. Got a bunch of butterflies, bro. They don't want to shoot because there's none in front of us.
Hey guys.
Yeah.
We got.
Yeah, we should be good.
We'll take these.
We'll take these. Yeah, we'll take these.
5 seconds.
Wherever they went, there's one right there.
Ready, boys?
Yep.
Take them.
How many we get?
I don't know what the fuck to shoot.
One down on the water over here.
Did we only get one?
Fast, boys. They come right back.
Yeah, they're gonna come right back. Get loaded up.
You guys steal one?
No,
We swatted and it was. Didn't want to take the decoys.
we only had 2 over here to really shoot at.
Coming in right here off the wall. Be ready.
Nice shot, Nick. Heck yeah, dude.
Hey, watch out right. Watch out right. These two ones.
We got 2 out behind us, circling.
Right on, see that crash down.
Alright. Right here. Oh, I couldn't see him.
Dude, you see how erratic it was flying? You're all like,
Oh, right here to the left, boys. Shoot him. Shoot him.
holy shit.
How many we get? 1. Nick, did you get that one? Pretty sure you did, dude.
Where did it go?
Right here. Right here, guys.
It's all you.
Yeah. Definitely don't want to.
Please watch those decoys there.
Yeah, no, I know it, dude. I don't want to.
I can get it. Hang on, going down. And then yours.
They just don't want to die, man. Look at that. Wow.
Now I know my pattern.
Don't shoot Kents.
I think
Well, I guess that's yours, Landon.
You can put one on the side.
Oh, right here, guys, right here. Oh, that was a penny. That was a penny, boys. Be still. They're coming back. They're coming back. Ready? You guys take them. Nice. Nice.
Finally shot one right there. That one went.
All right, we got. Oh no, they're not coming.
Finally, I shot fucking one. Holy shit.
Oh,
Three left.
5 on left.
one right here.
Right here, in front of us.
Too far. Too far. Too far.
Kill it now. Kill it on the water.
You got it. There you go. Good shot.
Wow, I'm surprised I actually got him.
5 on the left.
This guy's heading for the cattails. I gotta chase him. Nice little green winger.
That's 2 for you right here.
It's 2 for me.
Shoot him right there.
Hey! 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 Woo!
Get up!
Get up!
Hey!
Woo! Hey!
Hey!
Woo!
Just shoot him.
He did.
He's dead.
Bitch.
That's meat.
He's like, who's that? Who's going on?
That's meat in the freezer.
No, that's not a duck.
Shoot him.
Dude, I shot the feathers off of his ass, bro. You got dirt all over your foot.
All over my mouth.
Yeah.
That's so gross.
What?
I don't know what that was.
That was a big duck.
It was a blue wing.
Really?
Yeah.
You look big for a blue wing.
Hey, we got 4. All right, guys. Well, GoPro's about almost dead, so I'm not sure how much filming I'm gonna get. But yeah. 2 teal. Those guys, they got a handful of teal over there. We're just waiting for these big ducks to show up. What do you think, Bubba?
I'm just hoping to get some big ducks in here. Gotta shoot them small ones because we ain't shooting the quick ones.
That's for dang sure. These teal are too quick. I mean, we probably can't even count how many teal we had. If we could shoot the broadside of a barn, I think we would have done a little better, but you know, that's hunting, buddy. Be very still, guys.
Kill him.
Watch out, snipe. Shoot that one. I shot that one.
That's the killie that you shot at the last time. I think you got both down, but I didn't see where the second one.
That second one's over here. Bubba, you got that one?
I shot that one out there.
Hey, oh. Well, guys,